sure to stay in your seats now. How about giving the people in town a wave and a big yeehaw? As we head out of town, you'll see the funnel factory on the corner. Be sure to pick you up a funnel cake before leaving today. It's mighty tasty. On the right is the Tweetsie Junction with a handmade sign shop, an old-fashioned photo parlor, a junction store, and delicious Sparky's barbecue. And you can see some entertaining shows at the pavilion and open the back. Over to your left is our new table, the Hacienda. That's where we will be having our special events throughout the season, along with some other surprises. Right now, we're crossing dead horse canyon. As we do, we'll be turning back the clock to the days of the old west. Over to your right is Boot Hill, the final resting place for many a gunman. Right now, we're crossing Dead Horse Canyon, and as we do, we'll be turning back the clock to the days of the old west. Over to your right is Boot Hill, the final resting place for many a gunman. Lots of towns in the old west called their cemetery Boot Hill. So many folks met their ends through violence and gunplay in the streets they died with their boots on.
If you lost him, how do you know he's not here?
Who is he? I don't like him. I don't like him one bit.
I'm just saying.
Sassy.
Everybody who's not here say
Sassy,
hi.
hello.
Ow.
Well, that was fun. That's Maverick, and that's his buddy Seamus.
Hi, I'm Seamus. Nice to meet you.
Now nobody cares. You're here to look stupid.
Okay, thank you.
Well,
Phew!
it's weird. So, what do you think the marshal went off to?
Maybe he had to hightail out of here. I heard Indians were on warpath again.
Maybe
What?
that
Phew!
lake full of quicksand.
Who keeps doing that? It's weird.
Maybe the marshal got eaten by chupacabra.
Chupacabra!
Get off me!
Quit making up animals. All right, tell you what,
He was abducted by aliens.
Aliens! I don't want to be abducted by aliens!
Get off me! Pick up your gun.
Okay.
Get over here and stand.
Okay,
I'm sorry.
my gun's dirty.
Okay, well then, I guess we better spread out and look for him. So, you know what? I'll go in here and poke around the saloon. You guys just keep your eyes open for me. Thanks a lot.
See you later.
Powder my nose.
James!
Ah!
This is working out good, don't you think?
Yeah, let's go get that going.
No, not so fast, Seamus.
What?
Before we get the gold on the train, wherever it may be, don't you think we should look around and take care of all these here juicy pickings on this here train today?
Juicy pickings?
No, you idiot, not those kind of pickings, the other pickings. Take care of the people on the train.
Oh, I'm good at that. Okay. Hi, folks. How you doing today? My name's Seamus. I'll be taking care of you. Can I get anybody something to drink? Maybe some Coca-Cola, some water, some sweet tea, anything like that? What?
What are you doing?
Take care of the people on the train.
I did not mean take their drink orders. That's take care of them in the mean way.
In a mean way?
Yes.
That's really bad customer service,
Oh,
man.
no, that's why we're the bad guys.
Alright. Ah! You're getting the Coca-Cola! You're getting the funnel cake! You're getting cupcake and you're gonna like it!
Neighbor!
Maverick, I can't get any angrier.
Now,
Yeah.
perhaps we have a misunderstanding, a little miscommunication here.
Okay.
Whenever I said for you to take care of the customers in a mean way, I did not mean for you to change the demeanor and the tone in your voice for you to rob them.
Oh, okay. Which one's Rob? Rob!
Nobody's robbed, you idiot.
Rob!
Hey,
Do you know that? Have you met everybody on this train?
Ow, stop it. Stop being so goofy. You know what? Just follow my lead.
All right, fine.
All right, everybody!
Everybody!
This here is what? Seamus! Come here, you goober.
What?
Listen, I've had about enough out of you. Are you see this X?
Uh-huh.
You stand on it, and you look as goofy and ugly as you possibly can imagine it, Buster.
All right.
Uglier, goofier, sillier. Thank you. Just stay there. All right, everybody. Like I was trying to say before I was so rudely interrupted. This is a really neighborhood train robbery. Now, there's absolutely nothing to worry about. We only want your valuables. That means cash, gold, jewelry, and the like. Don't give me no lip, and I won't shoot nobody. Seamus, it is now your turn to stop looking so ugly and to take your part in the robbery.
That was
My face is stuck this way now.
Fix it.
All right. All right, everybody. Maverick. Ooh, pick me.
Seamus.
There's this lady on this car over here. She has a big old pocketbook. I bet there's a bunch of glue on there. And there's this lady right here. Oh, there's that camera lady. She's back again. Hey, Maverick, the camera lady's back. We can take that camera again. You go ahead. What?
I'm not here to take some photographs. I'm here to take some money.
Hey, boys, what are you doing out
Oh, hey, what we're doing out here?
Don't shoot me. I'm too pretty to die.
I wouldn't go that far. Pick up your gun.
Okay.
Put your hands up.
Okay.
Put your hands down.
All right.
Up.
Okay.
Down.
All right.
Down.
Okay.
Down.
All right.
Up.
Okay.
Down.
All right.
Up.
Okay.
Seamus!
Yes.
So help me. If you don't put your hands down and keep them down, I will shoot you right here. Okay. Now, Sheriff,
Uh-huh.
I suggest that you put your hands up.
All righty.
Thank you.
Okay.
Now, I suggest that you move your honey over here right now.
To ask me once. Got a gun out. I'm not stupid.
Did I say to stroll? Did I say to have a merry little walk? No, I did not. I said for you to mosey over here. Now, I suggest you get back over there and mosey. I'm a crazy man at the end of his rope.
You are one of the most irritable people I've ever met.
I wonder why. Now, mosey. Thank you, Ginger Rogers. Excuse me. No, tell me where that going is.
I'd love to help you out there, Maverick, but I have the slight...
I will help you. I will save the day. The gold is on the yellow train car.
Thank you.
Not today. I'll be in the outhouse.
Forgot about her.
Thank you, Callie.
You're welcome.
Get my gun back. Second person I'm gonna shoot will be, this guy right here.
Hey! You ain't gonna shoot nobody, because we're in control here.
Was
Did I
that
got it right?
Seamus, for once you have done something right.
Yeah, go home now.
Get your gun out of your holster. We are not done yet. Your butt is backwards. Ow! Dude, will you stop kicking me in the butt? Will you stop acting like a moron? And put your gun at him. Thank you. If he does anything funny, let him have it.
Okay.
Now, I got to say,
You are just not right.
yeah. You should be ashamed of yourself. Look at him.
I know.
Like taking candy
I know
from a
it's
baby
easy.
sheep.
Here you go. That was really
That was alright.
There's a my foot and you're behind are gonna have a little powwow if you don't stop it. Thank you. Go take care of the train.
Okay. Hey, folks, can I get anybody something to drink?
Shut it!
Yeah. Don't shoot me! I'm too pretty to
What
die.
do you want?
What world is sports is going on out here?
Well, apparently it's just dance off day. I'll tell you what's going on. It has been a crazy day for me.
Yeah.
Thank you for putting your gun up before I asked you to. That's very nice of you. Now look, obviously, I'm at the end of my rope. I have an idiot world class over here to deal
Hi,
with.
how you
And I
doing?
got this guy. I'm trying to rock the train. Nothing is going right. You right in here ruined everything. Now you just stay put. Shame do something right now.
Okay.
Give me that, thank you. Go, 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 go.
Okay, here you go.
Daddy.
All right.
I like it.
Maverick! Maverick! My gun's broke!
Nice bullet.
Oh, Maverick! Maverick, look what I got.
Throw it at it.
Okay.
Ellie, get out. Dynamite.
What?
Dynamite. What's that?
Silent but deadly.
Don't shoot me!
Well, that was fun. All right, you two, hand over your guns. We get back to town, you're going to jail.
Not too fast there, Sheriff. Now look here, I just got a telegram from Fort Boone.
Uh-huh.
Looks like you're under attack from Indians again.
Oh.
You fellas
great.
headed up that way?
Can I go help fight them?
Why, you sure can.
Oh, yay!
Take your
Can I
gun.
stay here and not
Perfect ending
fight?
to my day.
Okay.
Here,
Give me
take
that
your gun.
You, come on, we're gonna have a long talk on this train ride about how to act like with your. I can't even make sentences no more.
Like this is really painful.
All right,
Well,
well,
I don't care.
Thanks for the help, Marshal.
All right, we'll see y'all.
Get up there, be quiet.
Can I have my gun back?
Get on the train car.
I am on the train
Get
car.
in there.
All right, folks, please return to your seats now. About a big round of
Sit down and don't you say
big
nothing
round of applause for our Marshal Duke.
Excuse me.
All right, Casey, let's head on up to Fort Boone, please.
Did I?
Hey, Maverick. Can I talk now? I think that's a no. What? Kidding.
I can hear you.
But he was talking to me.
I sure hope everybody's all right. Nobody got hit by a stray bullet. Over to your left is the shooting range. The cowboys is over after sharpen their shooting skill. Of course, they used to say, shoot follow the season, but they don't know that. Up the hill to your left, you'll see a display of Indian village. There are a couple of Indians setting up a teepee here that you've already seen. These Indians look peaceful enough. Keep a lookout. You're liable to see a renegade or two who may have other plans. If you see any, be sure to sing out for our cowboys. Just beyond this canyon is Fort Boone. I'll be making
What do you want?
My hat broke.
What do you want?
Yeah.
Get up.
Alright, I thought he was an Indian.
Does he look like an Indian? He's an idiot.
I get those two confused all the time. Hey, listen. You gotta get out of here. There's a bunch of idiots right now in the woods.
Like idiots or Indians?
Oh, Indians.
Okay. You, get over there. You're confusing the man. Now listen. Tell you what. Let me holler at the sheriff. He's on the other side. Hey, sheriff!
What?
I found a raving lunatic over here.
Oh, great. Send him over.
Go pick up your hat. No, Seamus, you're a bumbling idiot. He's a raving lunatic. Okay. Now listen. Over here, you can hear me. Go over there to that train car. Don't feel me. Not be happy. No, go. Hey!
Hey!
Don't you
Hey!
As soon as I get down there,
Close, too late.
What do you mean too late?
I ain't too late.
What are you doing? You have exactly 6 seconds to get over here and get that goal.
What? I'm not here.
7.
You can't get on this train. Base! We'll have words when we get back to town. We're gonna get out of here. When I come back, me scared off now. We'll be back for your numbers.
All right.
Say it. Hey guys. How you doing?
All right, folks, how about a big round of applause for our Cowboys, the Tweetsie Tribe, and good old Trooper Bob. All right, Casey Jones, let's head on back into town, please.
Bye, Trooper Boss. I'll miss you. Miss you too. No, that's a hippie. He tried to sell me some beads or something.
Can I hitch a ride to Merle Fest?
Is everybody okay? Yeah. Good. Now let's get up there.
Again, folks, please remain in your seats until the train has come to a complete stop and all the cars are finished rolling backwards.
She's